Hook 1, late payment. That's all it takes. Just one single payment reported 30 days late can slam a good credit score. We're talking a drop of 60 to 110 points, especially if you had a high score to begin with. And the worst part? That one little mistake will stay on your credit report, haunting you for up to 7 years. But what if you could make it mathematically impossible to ever miss a payment again? I'm going to show you a foolproof 3-step system that guarantees every bill gets paid on time, so you never have to worry about that devastating score drop again. This is the ultimate guide to putting your bills on rails and finally getting some peace of mind. Section 1. The problem. The anatomy of a late payment. First, let's get something straight. What does late actually mean? If you pay a day or two after the due date, you might get hit with a small fee, but your credit score is safe for now. The real damage starts when your payment is 30 days past due. That's the magic number when your lender can, and often will, report you to the credit bureaus. Once that happens, a negative mark lands on your credit report, and this isn't a small slap on the wrist. Payment history is the single most important factor in your FICO score, making up a massive 35% of it. Think about that. Over 1/3 of the number that determines what car you drive and what house you live in comes down to one simple thing. Did you pay your bills on time? To lenders, a late payment is the #1 red flag that you might not pay them back. It's the strongest predictor of future risk, and the damage doesn't stop at 30 days. A payment that rolls over to 60 or 90 days late does even more harm, digging you into a deeper hole. While a 30-day late stings, a 90-day late is seen as a major sign of financial distress and can be devastating to your score. And here's the kicker. The higher your credit score, the more you have to lose. Someone with an excellent 780 score can easily see a drop of over 100 points from a single delinquency. It's a brutal penalty for what is often just a moment of forgetfulness. Section 2. The agitation. The 7-year sentence. So, your score drops. You figure, okay, I'll just pay it and it will go back up. Not so fast. This is what I call the double penalty. First, you've got the immediate score drop. Suddenly, you're in a different credit tier. That mortgage pre-approval you were celebrating, it could vanish. That low-interest car loan you were banking on, the rate just shot up, and it could now cost you thousands more over the life of the loan. But the second part of the penalty is the truly painful one, the time. That late payment doesn't just disappear once you're current. It stays on your credit report for up to 7 years. 7 years. But here's the good news. While it's on your report for that long, its impact does lessen over time, especially if you keep up with on-time payments. But for a while, it's a constant drag on your financial opportunities. Imagine this. 3 years from now, you've been perfect. You apply for a new apartment and get denied. Why? The leasing office saw that one late payment from years ago and decided you were too risky. Or you're trying to consolidate debt, but you only qualify for the high interest rates, all because of that one little mark. If you've ever felt that sinking feeling, or you want to make damn sure you never do, stick with me. The good news is you can take back control, and it starts right now. And if you're finding this valuable, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, because we're about to build your fortress against late payments. Section 3. The solve, the foolproof. 3-step system. Alright, let's get to the solution. This isn't about trying harder to remember. This is about building an automated and intentional system that makes it impossible to fail. Step 1. The foundation. Automate the minimum. This is your ultimate safety net. Its only job is to prevent that catastrophic 30-day late payment from ever being reported. Log into every single one of your credit card and loan accounts right now. Find the automatic payments section and set it up to pay at least the minimum amount due on the due date. Why just the minimum? Because paying the minimum on time is enough to protect your payment history. It keeps your account in good standing and ensures a positive mark is reported for that month. We are not trying to avoid interest here. We are purely protecting that 35% of your credit score. Think of it as the fire alarm in your financial house. It's not the main plan, but it will absolutely save you from a total disaster. Quick warning, this only works if the money is actually in your checking account. Make sure the account you link for autopay is one you know will be funded. An overdraft fee is annoying. A failed autopay followed by a 30-day late report is a catastrophe. Step 2. The Control Center, your bill pay calendar. Automating the minimum is your safety net, but this step is how you take active control. We're going to build a command center for your bills using a tool you already have, a digital calendar. Here's the process. For every single bill, create a recurring event. Let's say your credit card is due on the 25th of the month. You're going to create an event for the 22nd, 3 days before it's due. Title it, Pay Full Balance, Chase Card. Why 3 days before? It builds in a buffer for weekends, bank transfer times, and life just getting in the way. Now, for the crucial part, set 2 notifications for this event. One for the day of the event, 3 days before the due date, and a second for the actual due date, which acts as a final, did I do it? Check. Your calendar is now your offense. You're no longer reacting to due dates. You're proactively managing them. This is when you'll pay the full statement balance to crush those interest charges. The automated minimum is your backup. This calendar is your primary plan. It puts you in the driver's seat. Step 3. The buffer, the dedicated bill. Pay account. This final step separates the amateurs from the masters of personal finance. This is how you guarantee the money for your bills is always there, untouched and ready. Open a separate, free checking account online. It takes about 10 minutes. Nickname this your bill pay account. Its sole purpose is to be a holding pen for bill money. Here's how it works. The day you get paid, before you buy anything else, you do one thing. Calculate the total amount of all bills due before your next paycheck, and you transfer that exact amount into your bill pay account. All your automatic minimum payments from Step 1 should pull from this account. When you get your calendar alert from Step 2, you'll log in and pay the full balance from this same account. The psychological genius here is the separation. The money in your main checking account is for you to live on. The money in your bill pay account is not your money. It belongs to your future self. It's already spent. This eliminates the risk of accidentally spending the rent money. It's the ultimate buffer, ensuring the funds are always there, waiting to be deployed by your foolproof system. Section 4. The Recovery. What if you're already late? What if you're watching this and you've already missed a payment? Don't panic. The damage lessens over time, and you can take steps to recover. First, pay it immediately. If you can pay it before it hits that 30-day mark, you can avoid the credit score damage entirely, though you'll probably still owe a late fee. If it's already past 30 days, getting the account current stops the clock on further damage and starts the healing process. Second, once the account is current, contact your creditor. If you have a long history of on-time payments, you can write what's called a goodwill letter. Politely explain what happened, own the mistake, and ask if they would consider removing the late payment mark as a gesture of goodwill. It doesn't always work, but it costs nothing to ask. Finally, become a hawk. Review your credit reports for free. Look for any errors. If you find a late payment listed that you know you paid on time, dispute it immediately with the credit bureaus. Removing an incorrect negative mark can give your score a quick boost. Conclusion. Let's put it all together. This system isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Automate the minimums to create a safety net you can't fall through. Build a calendar control center to proactively pay your balances and crush interest. Fund a dedicated bill pay account to create a bulletproof buffer for your money. This is about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are in complete control of the single most important factor on your credit report. You are building a machine that handles your financial foundation for you, so you can focus on living your life. You're putting your bills on rails, ensuring your financial future never goes off track because of one simple mistake. If you found this system helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies to master your money. Thanks for watching.